Okay, so I got the Maximus II from trainhornkits.com, and I decided to install it on my 1997 1.3 liter Geo Metro, because that's my daily driver of like 40 something miles one way. So I got it and did a somewhat inspection of where I'd mount everything, and the only place I found on a car like this to mount the horns is right there. Purpose of making this video is, and I doubt there'd be anyone else with a Geo Metro wanting to do a train horn, but in case, it's always a good thing to see what someone else has done. So that's where I put the horns. What I had to do was I just took and cut this cross member here, right there and there, and you know, of course, unbolted this and took this, slid it out of the way, and then this piece here just whoop, lifts up, and then you can just drop the horns down in, and then down on the frame underneath there you can do some L brackets to bolt the horn to, and then I just ran the horn to ground, and then this is the airline here coming in. The airline goes down into the horn, and then power is hidden, and power runs up to the switch on the dash, and so electrical side I routed to this side here, and I did my switch a Momentary. I always see everyone else do a toggle switch, which makes no sense for a horn, but I did it right here on the dash, and you can see it's got a trumpet on it. You can get that on eBay, and it's pretty particular. They've got 4 ways to wire that switch, so you got to go back on eBay and locate their diagram they made. But I routed my electrical wiring, of course, where you do the normal deal, and then the pneumatic is under that side over there, and everything basically runs up into wiring comes out from the carpet, hard as hell to see with my phone, and then pneumatic comes from that side. I didn't cut it short in case I develop a leak I want extra to be able to splice into. I just took cardboard, and I gotta empty out this crap. That's so when I park my car people aren't looking in. And basically I did a 2x2 by I think 3/8 board, and I mounted my tank on their compressor, and then I did the relay right here, and then I did a toggle switch that they included. The actual horn switch on the dash I bought off eBay, and so this one they include, and basically I ran the power of this and this together to the main power, and then I did everything else goes to the relay, and then you've got all your grounds for everything, and I routed the grounds all right to here, going to the main return line, and so that's how I routed mine and everything, and I'm yet to test it, but everything works right now, so I'm gonna go out and see how she sounds. But that's how I did it on my 1997 Geo Metro. So let me know if you've got any thoughts, ideas, or maybe this was helpful to you.